Have you ever been curious about the journey of chickens to our dinner tables? Where does that story begin, and what makes them so special? Today, let's explore the secrets of Farm Life Insights chickens, a farm considered a paradise for poultry. Imagine a farming family with a deep love for chickens coming together to create a modern farm where the happiness of the birds is the guiding principle. On the farm, the chicken coops are designed with clean concrete floors, allowing for thorough sanitation between batches of birds. The newly arrived chicks enjoy a refreshing bath in completely new bedding, with no traces left from the previous flock. This preparation of the floor and coop requires careful and time-consuming work. Surprisingly, the coops are kept dark when the chicks first arrive. Why is that? Because chicks are very sensitive to light. Keeping the coop dark helps reduce their stress, allowing them to focus on finding food and water and quickly adapt to their new environment. But don't worry, the farm always maintains an ideal temperature for the chickens, from the chilly winter days to the sweltering summer months. The heating and cooling systems are automated, creating a perfect environment for the birds to grow comfortably. The key to healthy chicken growth is high-quality feed. The farm prides itself on using organic feed made from natural ingredients, free from antibiotics. From the tiny chicks to the fully grown chickens, the farm always prioritizes the happiness and health of the birds. Once the chickens have matured, they are transported to the processing facility in specialized vehicles, ensuring they are not cramped or stressed during the journey. The secret behind these chickens lies in the dedicated care and the unwavering efforts. They have created a modern farm that produces high-quality chicken products that are safe for consumers.